everyone. We are a group of 6 friends who have developed a college campus complex under the sustainability guidelines of a green city where we have explored the concept of environmentally friendly spaces, economic and environmental sustainability, and its various supporting amenities. The green city is a city that is in balance with nature, where all forms of nature are respected, maintained, and extended for the benefits of city residents. Urban nature is seen as an ideal provider of services and a key component of city development. Urban green city could be understood as a network of all urban natural elements either close to nature or designed green space plan in relevance. The concept of urban green space is thus exemplary for strategic and integrated planning, protection, development, and management of urban nature. This requires large-scale amenity and object-based spatial concepts. The project is initiated with the vision to develop sustainable green college campus where environmentally responsible practice and education go hand in hand and environmental responsibilities are borne out by practice and example. At its best, it is a model environmental community where operational functions, business practices, academic program, and people are interlinked, providing educational and practical values to the institution, the region, and the country. The core values of the envisioned complex are environmental and economic sustainability, improved quality of life on the campus, economic benefits, practical experience for the students, develop reputation as a sustainability leader through example. The master plan of the campus complex is divided into 3 major aspects by joining road network. A segment of the complex consists of conventional academic buildings such as 4 buildings consisting of classrooms and halls, an administration building to accommodate management spaces, and a park to provide convenient access to stakeholders of academic buildings and employees alike. This space is a physical breakout from built space and acts as a lungs of the complex where users can conduct a multitude of functions due to the versatile nature of parks. The roofs of the buildings are also treated as parks with the concept of green roofs provided with amenities such as lighting, seating, and vegetation. This will also enable upper-level circulation among buildings through green terraces adjoining each structure. The space inside the building surrounded by the greenery will be very pleasurable and feeling of being incorporated in nature. Another segment consists of recycling building which aids to reduce, reuse and recycle solid as well as liquid waste of the complex and a community garden used and maintained by the college students and faculty for self-sufficiency and use in commercial areas. These spaces help to reduce the wastes and also reuse these wastes into productive measures to greatly aid in environmental, social and environmental sustainability. The third sector is majorly a public area which can entertain the college students as well as complex visitors. The space in this sector are only commercial buildings managed by the college students to try out their innovative business ideas and develop in throughout their academic tenure, which is included in the curriculum. This aspect will prove to be innovatively effective method of teaching learning experience due to students and academics' hands-on approach to the business ideas development. Other spaces in this sector includes plaza space, which is also used by the commercial buildings to create ambient and vibrant environment as seen prominently in our squares or plazas. This will promote businesses as well as social harmony. The plaza space is also accompanied by water bodies, sitting spaces, and breakout spaces to make the space versatile and usable on various scenarios. Various transportation amenities such as bus stop, trams, and electric vehicle recharge stations which greatly help to reduce carbon footprint and promote walking or cycling or use of public transportation or at least site-produced renewable energy. To truly be eco-cities, they must consider the social, environmental, and economic impacts of sustainability. Here are some examples of how cities might establish long-term viability. Some of the strategies, design ideas, and principles adopted to achieve a sustainable green campus complex are parks, sports parks, live streets, public squares, water bodies, energy efficient buildings, green roofs, pedestrian and cycle paths, plastic road, public green spaces, public transportation, vehicle charging station, waste management, water conservation technique, solar farm, local food production, and accessible public resources. The campus complex seeks to attain balanced integrations of sustainability incorporating the benefits of society, environment, and economy. The individual stakeholder community is kept in mind while developing these integrations. The shareholders will attain their social responsibility in the community, aid to environmental conservation, and also achieve environmental risk aversions through their investments. The management also benefits by promoting self-sufficiency, initiating business and innovative ideas, complying to the environmental regulations, promoting safe, healthy environment, and initiating philanthropic approaches. The students are at most benefit due to these interventions as they would enjoy improved quality of life, satisfaction, and stable academic endeavors, get to promote their innovative ideas and implementing within curriculum, and attain prestige to be a part of innovative community. They also get to experience optimal academic environment and also aid in sustainability. Getting a hands-on experience to develop and manage sustainable ideas will also be a boon to the students to further their career endeavors and also gain financial benefit. On the other hand, external communities such as the surrounding neighborhood are also benefited through employment opportunities, use of public transportation, take part in social entrepreneurship, get to live in favorable environment, and also enjoy increased property values. In the large scale, government also benefits from the campus complex with compliance to human and environmental regulations, increased innovations. Initially, master plan of the campus complex was designed conceptually, then it was drafted in AutoCAD software to get accurate dimension and deplete the space accurately. The drafted plan was then printed in the scale of 1:180, which means the model can be enlarged accurately to get actual realistic space if enlarged 180 times to its current size. Lighting elements such as bulbs and wires were also introduced to make the model more ambient. In conclusion, this report indicates that a self-sustainable green college campus will prove to be a cradle for innovator both technically and in managerial approach through example and hands-on experience. The green design approach initiated in the college campus will introduce the occupant with better air and water quality, improved health condition, better social experience, sustainable economy generations method, and launchpad for innovative ideas. The pupils are bound to use the ideas introduced in the multitude of sectors that they are going to be in the near future and promote the environmental and economical efficiency in their field as well. Hence, with the educated and sustainable enlightened youth in various sectors, we can hope and it is most probable that sustainability will be introduced in most of the sectors and promote environment sustainability both passively and actively. Thank you.